This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Noel Hernandez. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is move-in ready. Open floor plan with a great-sized kitchen, which overlooks the breakfast and family entertainment area. Master room has a spacious walk-in closet, and a bathroom with closet and standing shower. There is also 2 comfortable-size bedrooms and an additional full-size bathroom. Property is located within minutes from US 301 and I-75. Call to schedule your showing today. Security deposit and first month rent required. For more information, review the details below.